And good morning. It is March 20, 2024. I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with a patient who traveled from Utah for his lower back. He's had 2 herniated discs at L3-4, L4-5. We fixed those yesterday, less than 24 hours ago. You went home right after your surgery. There's no hospitalization. You haven't been on any powerful pain medications, no opioids like you do with invasive surgery because you had the endoscopic Deuk laser disc repair. How do you feel today?
I feel awesome. When I came here, obviously, I was having trouble standing up straight. My legs felt like they were 100 pounds apiece. Yesterday after the surgery, a little sore to be expected, but I slept all night, perfect sleep, and got up this morning and I took a 20-minute walk. My legs felt back to normal. Didn't have all that heaviness like I was having to drag my feet to walk around. So yeah, it makes me feel pretty good.
Now you had what we call neurogenic claudication. That comes from spinal stenosis. You had herniated discs that were pinching the nerves going down into your legs. We used the laser to go in there and clean up those tears and herniations to get the pressure off those nerves. That's why your legs feel good, because the nerves are working again. Plus we got rid of your back pain, didn't we?
Yeah, not only the back pain, but I did a lot of research prior to coming to Dr. Deuk, because in my town, St. George, Utah, there's a lot of neurological doctors there. Conventional was wanting to cut you open about 6 or 8 inches, a year recovery. The spinal guy said, it'll be 5 or 6 years, you have to come back, take the scarring out. I said, well, it's not for me. I'll put up with the pain. And I kept researching. I found Dr. Deuk here, saw a lot of his videos, and very caring person, very compassionate about what he does. That's what brought me here. I was like, I'm very happy to be here, actually, and having this done.
We're so happy you're here too. And we love helping people like you get out of pain, get back to normal, and doing it safely without the big incision and the metal and the muscle damage and the recovery and the pain pills, none of that. With our laser surgery, your patients are out of the operating room, then they're back home, usually within an hour, in your case, your hotel. And here you are the next day, no pain meds, up walking around like a normal human being.
Yeah, I was walking around yesterday right after the surgery, even though I was a little tender from the surgery, but by 9 o'clock last night, that subsided. And by this morning, it was like virtually gone. But the most impressive thing for me was to have the ability to walk normally without dragging my feet, like my legs were just super heavy. And so, yeah, that gives your whole body a new inspiration to move around.
And you're a busy man. You have businesses to get back to and run.
Yeah, I've got a couple of businesses running, and also got a little dog that's about 73 pounds. And so, that's going to be a little challenge to work around that for a little bit, but it's going to be all good. I'm really excited about getting this done and getting back to a normal life.
Anything you want to share with our viewers about Deuk Spine Institute?
It's the most phenomenal place here that got all the great equipment. Dr. Deuk himself is very personable, very compassionate, very caring about the person that they're working on. And I felt that with Dr. Deuk, even through the videos. Like maybe my office manager said, this guy is so transparent. He's not arrogant. He's out to help people. And that's what convinced me to come here. So I'm like, okay, I got to meet this guy. When I met him on a Zoom, that was, I tried to put a little funny on you. So if I would recommend anybody that's got a disc issue, this is the way to get it resolved without having all the scarring and cutting and being off work. And not only that, but having the ability to continually not have to go back for surgeries, because that's one of the things that I discussed with 3 or 4 people I know that's had back surgery. They've been 4 to 5 years, they got to go back in and clean the scarring out because they got pressure again on the nerves.
Yeah, with the Deuk laser disc repair, the procedure you had done, our success rate is 99.6% elimination of symptoms of back pain and leg symptoms.
Yeah, been very successful. I'm very, very happy. It's a good system here, high-tech equipment. The staff is wonderful. He's got a lot of staff here to take care of you. Very caring, very compassionate facility.
Well, Florida welcomes you anytime.
Yeah, okay, Doc. Thanks so much.
Safe travels, sir.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you. Let's get you out of here.